Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Windows 10 build and whether it is 64-bit. This matters for compatibility. Next, download a trusted animated wallpaper application and its installer and keep it in a known folder. Once done, make a system restore point or backup critical files so you can revert if anything goes wrong. Make sure you have administrator privileges. Without them, you cannot complete installation. This gets you from zero to ready and avoids common permission hiccups. You run the installer as administrator and follow the prompts to install the animated wallpaper program. Once installed, open the app and configure core settings. Enable auto start if you want the wallpaper at login, choose a performance mode that matches your PC, and set GPU or hardware acceleration so playback is smooth. Now import or select an animated wallpaper file or pack, then preview it. If animations stutter, reduce frame rate or choose lower quality. These changes you finalize by applying the animated wallpaper and adjusting position, audio levels, and loop behavior so it fits your desktop layout. Once applied, test with battery and plugged-in modes. Make sure power settings don't suspend the animation. If it conflicts with full-screen apps or impacts performance, change the app to pause on full screen or lower quality. If things go wrong, revert to the system restore point you made, or temporarily disable other desktop utilities and overlays to isolate the conflict.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.